Good morning. Welcome to the Finger Lakes. I'm Paul Allen. I wanted to do a follow-up segment on our series about water capture containment systems that can help to maximize use of water resources on property. Essentially wanted to, at this point in time, just talk about water that we're collecting out of an impound. We created a pond that's approximately a 5 million gallon pond. What we've got here is one of the outtakes. Now there are two frost-free heads that come up from the bottom of the pond, and then at the maximum outflow we have a wastewater 18-inch pipe, so that when we reach high water events that anything will pass out into the stream. So this stream, basically we put in the new path of the stream when we created the pond, essentially maximizing the water as it goes across the property on contour, so as to slow it down as best as possible and be able to take water from as many places as it crossed the property as we could. What you're actually seeing here is there's a 4-inch PVC pipe. I've got on there a gate valve, so you'll see right there a gate valve that opens and closes to allow water to come into that, and then a ball valve. So the ball valve basically is just a turn, and then two hose bibs. So the hose bibs are basically going to allow us to just very easily from various points of the year when we need water. I've got the ability to hook on, and we can connect the standard hoses to wherever. But basically that water is all coming out of the pond, and what you'll see is that there's an overflow. So the abundant water that flows out of the pond in certain times of the year is basically remixing with the stream. Now again, the stream is going to carry all types of gravels and sediment that's getting mixed in during the turbidity of that water flowing down stream. You know, it's going to make it less desirable as far as a water resource for use. And one of the things you want to do with a water impound is always to try to segregate your water so that you're not actually using the stream to fill a water impound. And the reason that I say that is that when you're calculating how much water you're going to be able to store in a pond, if you've got a stream that's flowing in over time, you're going to slowly fill that pond with that sediment. So in this instance, what we did was we actually bermed the outer so that the stream is actually an exclusion from the pond itself. So the stream actually flows down on the side here, and then I do have above a plan to create we've got a clean out pond that's going in with an additional fill out of that. So again, the clean out pond, I can get in there with the excavator, take any sediment that has accumulated in that small pond out easily, and then water from the top of that pond would actually be allowed, again with another gate valve, to flow in at certain periods when we're taking the maximum amount of water out of the pond. So again, just wanted to add a little bit more in terms of the water management that we've done here, and certainly hope that you're doing things to be able to maximize the water on your homesteads and farms, and have a great day.